Welcome to Mathematics Trigonometric Ratios Part 9. Now look at some important formulae in trigonometric compound angles. Here is the list of trigonometric ratios of compound angles. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. You observe this. For sin A plus B, right side expansion, it is plus. For sin A minus B, it is minus. So for plus, it is plus. For left side minus, it is minus. Right side, sin cos cos sin. Sin cos cos sin. But in the case of cos, for cos A plus B, left side, right side, it is minus in between two terms. And terms also, in sin, two terms, sin cos, sin cos. But for cos formula, first term only cos A cos B, second term only sin A sin B. But in sin, first term contains both sin and cos, second term contains both sin and cos. But in cos formula, first term both cos cos, second term both sin sin. And sin also, for cos A plus B, you will get minus in between. For cos A minus B, you will get plus. So it is reverse, you should remember. Then tan A plus B, it is a fraction. Numerator tan A plus tan B, denominator 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B, tan A minus tan B, in numerator, and denominator 1 plus tan A tan B. So for tan A plus B, in numerator, it is tan A plus tan B. For tan A minus B, in numerator, it is tan A minus tan B. Numerator, it is plus, in denominator, it is minus. In numerator, if it is minus, in denominator, it is plus. In that way, you remember, practice them. And then sin A plus B into sin A minus B. It is sin square A minus sin square B. It is similar to A plus B into A minus B. It is A square minus B square. In that way, you can remember. If you convert sin into cos, sin square A is 1 minus cos square A. Sin square B, if you write 1 minus cos square B, 1 will get cancelled and you will get cos square B minus cos square A. So this can be written in both ways. Sin square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus cos square A. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B is cos square A minus sin square B. In sin, it is both sin square minus sin square. In the case of cos, it is not same. Cos square A minus sin square B. Not both cos square A minus cos square B. That you should remember. For cos, it is cos square A minus sin square B. Or if you write cos square in terms of sin square 1 minus sin square and sin square in 1 minus cos square, you will get cos square B minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square B. The one is cos and another is sin. Or cos square B minus sin square A. For sin, both are sin or both are cos. So this A plus B into A minus B, you will get this one. And look at this one. Sum or difference of sin and cos. 2 sin A cos B is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. If you add these two formulas, sin A plus B and sin A minus B, if you add, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, or plus sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, minus cos A sin B plus cos A sin B will get cancelled. You will get 2 sin A cos B will remain. And for this, if you add cos A plus B and cos A minus B, sin A cos sin B will get cancelled. 2 cos A cos B will remain. So for addition, sum of this is sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. If you add, you will get this. And if you subtract sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, you will get 2 cos A sin B. And in this case, if you subtract cos A plus B from cos A minus B, here you remember this one for cos, we are subtracting cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. You will get 2 sin A sin B. Otherwise, if you take A plus B first and subtract A minus B, you will get minus sign. You subtract cos A minus B from cos A plus B, just like above, you will get a negative sign. The minus sin A sin B and minus sin A sin B will remain. If you subtract cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Okay. This sin 2A, if you replace B with A in cos sin A plus B, this becomes sin A plus A, that is sin 2A. So sin A cos A, cos A sin A. So cos A sin A, cos A sin A, 2 cos A sin A, or 2 sin A cos A. So this is, from that formula you get this one, 2 sin A cos A, or this is equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A for sin 2A, or cos 2A cos square minus sin square A. You can derive these formulas from this A plus B, sum of the angles. You replace B with A, you will get this one. So for cos 2A cos square A minus sin square A, or this you convert into only cos, you will get 2 cos square A minus 1, or if you convert only in terms of sin, you will get 1 minus 2 sin square A. That is, by converting cos into sin, 1 minus sin square A, you will get this one, or sin into cos, 1 minus cos square A, you will get this. Tan 2A, 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. So for this cos 2A, 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square also you can write. For this cos 2A, one more for you can write 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Tan 2A, 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A, sin 3A, 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A, cos 3A, 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A, tan 3A, 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. These are the important formulae. This is the list of important formulae of compound angles. They are very, very, very important. We make use of this formula in solving the problems. Now let us solve some problems from the exercise 6C, Roman number first bit. Simplify the following. For first bit, all the questions are very short answer type questions. Very short answer, that is 2 marks in your public exam. So look at this. Simplify the following. Cos, first bit of first question. Cos 100 into cos 40 degrees plus sin 100 degrees into sin 40 degrees. So look at this one. This is in the form of cos A, cos B. Left side, first term, both cos, cos, sin, sin. So this is in the form of cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. This is the formula cos A minus B. This is cos A minus B formula. Here, A is 100. If you compare this, A is 100 and B is 40. So this is equal to cos A minus B. So this becomes cos A minus B. That is cos 100 minus 40. That is equal to 100 minus 40, cos 60 degrees. So cos 60 is nothing. Cos 60 is nothing but sin 30, that is 1 by 2. So this value is 1 by 2. Now let us take up one more problem. That is second bit in the same. Simplify cot 55, cot 35. Cot 55 into cot 35. Minus 1 divided by cot 55 plus cot 35. Cot 55 plus cot 35. Here, says this is in the form of cot A plus B, where cot A plus B is cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B as cot A. So this is in this form. Here you take A as 55, B as 35. This becomes cot 55 plus 35, that is cot 90 degrees, that is equal to 0. So this is cot 0. Now let us take one more problem. Third bit. Simplify. Tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan pi by 4 minus theta. Simplify this one. Now, use tan A plus B and tan A minus B formula. Tan A plus B, tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. for minus tan A minus B, here you will get minus and here you will get plus. So this is the formula for tan A plus B or tan A minus B. So using this one, now if you expand this, this is A and this is B. Pi by 4 is A, theta is B. If you write this one, tan A plus B, tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. So this is first term, and this one tan A minus B. So tan A minus B formula, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Here tan pi by 4 is tan pi by 4 is tan 45. So that is 1. Tan pi by 4 value is 1. So this is 1 plus tan theta. So this is 1 minus 1 into tan theta is tan theta. The first factor becomes like this, first one, and this is also 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Multiplying. So multiply numerator and denominator. So it is in the form of A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. Using this formula, numerator 1 plus tan, 1 minus tan becomes 1 square minus tan square theta, A square minus B square. So this is also 1 square minus tan square theta. So both are same, numerator and denominator equal. So that is equal to 1. Let us take up one more problem from the exercise. This is second question, first bit. Express in sine angle. Express in sine angle. Express the following in sine angle, that is √3 cos 25 plus sine 25 divided by 2. We have to express this in terms of sine. Solution. I am taking √3 by 2. I am separating this 2 into cos 25. So this 2 is for, I am separating denominator. This 2, 1 by 2 into sine 25. So this one, √3 by 2 is cos sine 60. For √3 by 2, I am writing sine 60 degrees. and cos 25. This is cos 60 degrees. 1 by 2 is cos 60 degrees. This is sine 25 degrees. Now this is in the form of sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. This is nothing but sin A plus B. So using this formula, the above is in the form of sin A plus B. Here A is equal to 60 and B is equal to 25. So this becomes sine of 60 plus 25, that is equal to sine 85 degrees. So this is only sine angle. So expressing in sine angle. Now let us take up one more from third question, first bit. If tan theta is equal to, if tan theta is cos 11 plus sin 11, cos 11 plus sin 11 divided by cos 11 minus sin 11 degrees. And Q is not in third quadrant. Theta is not in మూడో పాదంలో లేదు, third quadrant. Then find angle theta. Now dividing right side each term by cos 11. I am dividing all terms by cos 11 by cos 11, sin 11 by cos 11, numerator dividing with cos 11, in denominator also cos 11 by cos 11, dividing all terms, dividing by cos 11 numerator and denominator, dividing numerator and denominator with cos 11, so that the value will not change. Now this becomes 1. So now tan theta is equal to this becomes 1 plus sin by cos is tan. Numerator becomes 1 plus tan 11 by 1 minus tan 11. So 1 can be written as tan 45. Replace 1 with tan 45 plus tan 11. This is also tan 45 minus tan 11. So this is in the form of tan A minus B, tan A plus B formula, tan A plus B formula, tan A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B by tan A plus tan B this is you can write here tan 45. So here just tan A plus B. So this is also so this is you write as it is. This is 1 as it is, and minus so minus as it is. So you can write this 1 into tan 11 is tan 11. I am writing 1 as tan 45 into tan 11. So tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan 45 is 1. 1 into anything is anything. So the second term in denominator tan 11, I am writing tan 11 as tan 45 into tan 11. Anyway, it is tan 11 only. Tan 45 value is 1. So this is in the form of tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, where this is equal to tan A plus B formula. So this is nothing but tan A plus B. This is in the form of tan A plus B. So here tan 45 plus 11, that is equal to tan 56. Tan 56 degrees. But the condition theta is not in third quadrant. Theta is in third quadrant. Question, the angle is in third quadrant. Angle belongs to third quadrant. We have to find the angle in third quadrant. So in third quadrant, so this is Q3. Angle is 180 and 270, in between 180 and 270. The angle should be in between this. So convert this into this can be tan theta is equal to tan 180 plus 56. Since tan 180 plus theta is equal to tan theta. So tan 180 plus theta is tan theta. So tan 56 can be written as tan 180 plus 56 is tan 56 only. Now, this is 180 plus theta is in third quadrant. So this is 236, tan 236. Now, therefore, the angle theta is 236. Theta is equal to 236 degrees, which belongs to the third quadrant. We have to find the angle in third quadrant. If the angle is in first quadrant, it is 56 degrees only. But in question, the theta belongs to third quadrant. Satisfying this condition, we have to find the angle in third quadrant. So that is 236 degrees. Now let us take up one more problem from third bit to third question, second problem. If A and B are in between 0 to 90, if 0 is less than AB less than 90 degrees, that is A and B both are in first quadrant less than 90, such that cos A is equal to 5/13, cos A is equal to 5/13 and sin B is equal to 4/5. Find the values of sin A minus B. Find value of sin A minus B. We have to find the sin A minus B. A, B both belongs to first quadrant. A and B both belongs to U1. Both are in first quadrant. So all positive in first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. మొదటి పదంలో అన్ని ధనాత్మకం. Now let us find the angle A. Cos A is equal to 5/13. So cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, asana bhujam by karnam. If you take the triangle, right triangle, this is A, adjacent side is 5, the hypotenuse is 13. We have to find the opposite side. Opposite side is equal to karnamu square minus bhujamu square. Square of hypotenuse minus square of the given side. So this is Pythagoras. So this is equal to 13 square is 169, 5 square is 25. So that is 144 and this is equal to 12. So the other side is 12. Now sin B is 4/5. This is angle A. Now let us take up sin B is given as 4/5. Sin ratio opposite side by hypotenuse, as it bhujam by karnam. If you take right triangle, both are in first quadrant. So if you take right triangle, this is angle B, opposite side is 4, hypotenuse is 5, we have to find adjacent side. So for adjacent side, it is under root square of the hypotenuse, karnamu square minus bhujamu square. So 25 minus 16, that is root 9, 3. So this side is 3. So now we have to find sin A minus B value. Sin A minus B. So this is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is sin A minus B formula. Now sin A. So sin A is, you take the first triangle, sin A value, since it is in first quadrant, all are positive. Sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse, 12 by 13. Cos A is 5 by 13. It is given in the problem, or you can write adjacent by. Sin A at 12 by 13, cos A at 5 by 13. Sin B 4 by 5, cos B 3 by 5. So writing this value, sin A 12 by 13, opposite by hypotenuse. Cos B adjacent by hypotenuse, 3 by 5, minus cos A adjacent by hypotenuse, 5 by 13. Sin B opposite by hypotenuse in second, 4 by 5, second triangle. So multiplying 12 into 3, 36, 13 into 5, 65, 5 into 4, 20, 13 into 5, 65. And this is equal to 65, 36 minus 20 is 16 by 65. So therefore, sin A minus B value is 16 by 65. So this is how we calculate these values. Okay. These are very short answer type questions. You by heart all the formulae, important formulae, list of all important formulae, so that it will be easy for you to understand or to solve some more problems. Okay, keep watching all the videos, prepare your own notes. And those who want to follow the subject, all videos are freely available. Do subscribe this channel. Everything mathematics complete content for intermediate IPE public exam. You will get freely access to this channel. Subscribe this channel and press the bell button. Thank you.